he is not a law student. Second, he is not a law professor. Yung sad feeling kasi, personal yan. Now, nakakatawa kasi yung comment niya, may nagko-comment na who happens to be my student in Constitutional Law 1, Law 2, and Constitutional Law Review. Sabi niya, hindi naman kami sad. Hindi naman pwede yung ganon kasi kung i-insist yung theory niya, siya din pwede rin ma-accuse ng legislative overreach.
Attorney Bokal, maayong buntag si Admar po ito. Isang topic lang po, Attorney. Meron pong komento ang kasalukuyang Senate President, ngunit hindi abogado, na si Senador or Senate President Vicente Tito Soto III. Basahin ko lang po yung kanyang impeachment kasi nabanggit po kayo rito, hindi direkta na pangalan nyo, pero sabi niya rito, "It is a sad day for constitutional law students and professors. The Constitution had just been amended unconstitutionally through Supreme Court overreach. It will take decades of retirements to correct this misinterpretation. When the law is clear, there is nothing to interpret, as any first-year law student knows. The decision is a clear judicial legislation. The SC, as written in their decision, admitted of introducing a rule for Congress to follow in the conduct of impeachment, a clear encroachment on the power of the legislative branch as provided for by the Constitution. Impeachment is now an impossible dream." Ano po ang masasabi nyo rito? Kasi nabanggit kayo bilang abogado, bilang profesor, attorney. Reserve, sir.
Okay, kaya nga we have to be magnanimous in victory. Pero parang he is not the proper party to say it. First, he is not a law student. Second, he is not a law professor. Yung sad feeling kasi, personal yan. Now, nakakatawa kasi yung comment niya, may nagko-comment na who happens to be my student in Constitutional Law 1, Law 2, and Constitutional Law Review. Sabi niya, hindi naman kami sad. So, at saka kita mo yung mga comments doon, talagang adverse sa kanya. Hindi naman pwede yung ganon kasi kung i-insist yung theory niya, siya din pwede rin ma-accuse ng legislative overreach. Yung judicial overreach kasi, kuan yan subjective yan. Depende yan kung ayaw mo yung ginagawa ng Supreme Court, na ang Supreme Court ay final arbiter of all constitutional issues. Kasi pag wala tayong arbiter, kanya-kanya tayong interpretasyon, maging anarchy yung ating bansa. Kaya may stabilizer dito. Ito yung iyan ang role ng Supreme Court. Kaya nga, the supremacy of the Constitution ay ginagampanan niya ng Supreme Court. Kaya nga, when the Supreme Court will allocate and mediate constitutional boundaries, what it asserts is not its own superiority, but what it asserts is the supremacy of the Constitution. Sila yung guardian ng Constitution. So yun ang interpretasyon nila. Ngayon, with all due respect, si Soto is my fraternity brother, Brother Mason yan. Ang masabi ko lang, parang off-tangent yung sabihin niya na sad day kasi he has never been a law student and he has never been a law professor.
Para
Pwede siguro magsabi yan yung mga proper party.
Opo, para di siguro masad din si SP Tito Soto, attorney, ano mo na lang, i-join mo na lang sa pickleball mo.
Magaling siya maglalaro ng golf. Ilaro lang niya ng golf.
Alright. Attorney, naku, daghang kayong salamat sa inyo pong oras at sa pagbibigay po ninyo ng impormasyon ngayong umaga.
It's an honor. kasama ang Jade at sa kasamang Admar. It's an honor to be part of your program. Thank you very much.
Thank you po. Attorney James Reserva, Professor po ng Political and Constitutional Law, ang ating pong nakasama. Napakinggan po ngayong umaga. Kaugnay nga po dito sa naging desisyon ng Supreme Court sa impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte.